How to edit videos on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually edit videos on Snapchat. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, simply make sure you have actually downloaded as well as updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open it, and the very next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now you could basically simply go ahead and record a video right over here, or else you could choose the one from your gallery to edit a certain video. I'm going to choose the one from already on my camera roll. So I'm going to tap on the photos icon from the bottom left hand side of the screen, and right here at the top of the screen you'll find this option which says camera roll. So tap on the camera roll option and I will simply select this video, let's say for example. Once you've actually selected the video, let's say I want to edit this video, I want to trim it, I want to add some text, I want to add some special effects and something else as well. What I will do is simply tap on this pencil-like icon from the bottom left hand side of the screen first of all. Now I will show you a bunch of things which you can actually do on this page. For very first thing, I will simply mute this video so that you will not get disturbed. As you mute it, let's say you might actually also want to trim this particular video, and you can simply actually hold the slider right like this from the bottom left hand side of the screen to a point where you want to actually trim this video to, let's say for example. Once you've actually trimmed this video, let's say you want to add some music to it, you could tap on the music icon on the top right hand side of the screen, and you could go ahead and simply select any of the music which you might think is actually reliable for your video if you want to. If you want to add a fancy text, on the top right, tap on the T icon which you see right over here. So basically tap on the T icon, go ahead and simply enter any of the text. You can actually set the duration for this text as well as also actually add the background to this text as well. If you want to also add some other effects such as the stickers, and you want to add some location tags, let's say you want to tag someone, you want to add some temperature degrees, you want to add some polls, you want to create and mention someone, you want to create GIFs and so on, you could go ahead and do them simply from this page as well. If you want to use some filters, let's say for example, tap on this lens icon or this magnifying glass icon just below the volume button, and you'll be basically be able to go ahead and simply see a list of all of the effects which you might actually want to use, as you can see right over here. If you want to actually crop this video, tap on the crop icon right over here, and then you could go ahead and actually crop it to your desired point as well. Now I'm going to simply come back, and if you want to change the color, you could actually simply keep on swiping right and left and change the effects in that way. If you tap on the spin icon on the right hand side right over here, you'll be able to see a list of all of the links, and you could go ahead and simply paste the link as well. If you want to add a boomerang effect to it, such you have to simply tap on this infinite loop icon at the bottom right side of the screen. So if you tap on it, you can see the video is basically going to get looped back and forth. And once you're done with your video, you can check all of the settings as per your wish. You could basically go ahead and do anything. If you want to actually save it, on the bottom left, tap on this arrow icon. As you tap on this arrow icon, it will ask you to actually share elsewhere, or else you could tap on the send to button from the bottom right hand side of the screen, and you'd actually be able to add them to your story or send them as a chat to your friends and so on. And this is how you can edit videos on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.